What's up, my PowerUp friends? Welcome back to PowerUp with Kaynee. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest keto wrap in the entire universe. And why do I say that? It's only 2 ingredients, y'all. I'm going to show you what the ingredients are. 1 cup of spinach and 2 eggs, and then just a little pinch of salt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of my ingredients in here and then blend it all in my Ninja. All right, guys, when it is nicely blended, the consistency will be very liquidy, as you can see here. So I'm going to move it around a little bit so you can see how liquidy that is. Pretty liquidy. But again, be confident when you pour the entire contents of this mixture in your pan, you're going to get an incredibly delicious, low-carb, high-protein wrap. It's so easy. So I've buttered my pan, and then I'm just going to start pouring from the outside and then finish out on the inside. You want to put your heat on medium and then cover it up. I'm going to show you what it should look like when it's ready to be flipped. So if you look at my tortilla now, you'll notice that you see bubbles on the top of it, and it's starting to look more solid than liquid. That's the prime time to flip it. To flip it, I could do it with a spatula, but I always like to play it safe and use a plate, just to make sure that my wrap does not rip. So let's do it. I'm going to butter my pan one more time before it cooks on the other side. Now that my wrap is ready, I'm going to make myself a delicious turkey and cheese wrap. I'm going to start out with some chosen mayonnaise. Now I'm going to put some turkey in here and some pepper jack cheese. And I'm also going to put some red onion in here. Why do we call it red onion when it's actually purple? So purple onion. And some tomatoes. And then I'm going to douse it with olive oil and salt. Okay, and then I'm going to fold it over and cut it in half. All right, guys, I'm going to give this a taste test. Oh my word, you have got to taste this. It is so delicious, so easy to make. 2 ingredients, comes together in 3 minutes. You can make it into a turkey wrap, a chicken wrap. You can make a quesadilla by putting cheese in there. It is so delicious. Like, you can't just have one bite. It's that amazing. 2 ingredients, y'all. Like, it's impossible to not make this recipe just so easily and perfectly. All right, my PowerUp friends, that's it for this video. For more recipes like this one that are low carb, keto friendly, super easy to make, and super delicious, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you're notified each time I upload a video. And don't forget to share this video and my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Bye until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.